I'm Abhijit Mukherjee. I'm a professor at the Department of Geology and Geophysics and the School of Environmental Science and Engineering at IIT Kharagpur. So sustainability is a very broad term, and the devil is in the details. So when we are talking about sustainability, there can be sustainability from the quality side and also from the quantity side. So when we are talking about quality, we are talking about safe water. When we are talking about sustainability from the quantity side, we are talking about security. So we need to integrate secured, safe groundwater or drinking water. Now, in our country, as of today, till now, like we have 70% of our drinking water sources linked to groundwater. And this groundwater is kind of, pervasively located all across the 7,000 plus blocks in our country, with having very different geology, very different climate, very different land use, and of course, human interferences. So what science can do, typically the state governments, because water is still a state issue, they do their work in their domain of jurisdiction, and these are mostly point data that they look at. What science can do is to integrate that point data into one platform and bring out the rationality out of it, the broader picture out of it, which can possibly identify the patterns that are inherent in this very different, very heterogeneous dispersion of geology, land use, and so on, and then kind of make adjustments, or rather observe patterns which are inherent to these diversities, and then go back to the decision makers and tell that, okay, you see these patterns and these are inherent to your area, and this is how you can possibly try to go for an operation and secure your water sources. Secure water source both from quantity and quality. And this is how I think the future would be kind of translating to, where the sustainable source of drinking water is going to rely on recognizing patterns and going back to the policy in a point level.